Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your headphones JLab JBuds Lux. You can play and pause a song by pressing one time on the multifunctional button. So press on it and I'm just play a song, press again and I pause the song. To increase the volume we have right here volume control button, and to increase it just press at the plus button. So again, press on it, as you can see it work. And to lower it, just use minus button. So again, press on it, and as you can see, I lower the volume. To play next track, just press and hold at the plus button. And to play previous track, press and hold at the minus button. Here we go. Also, you can call a Siri by pressing 2 times on the multifunctional button. 1, 2. And as you can see, Siri is awake. So it worked. And also we have ANC button is to enable ANC or transparency mode. And if you press and hold, let me show you. Right here we have music mode and movie mode, and if you press and hold this ANC button you will swap between these two modes. And as you can see it worked. Also, you can answer, if somebody called you can answer the call by pressing 1 time on this multifunctional button. And to reject it, just press and hold it for 1 second. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!